today I found a Ferrari 458, I believe it was, in a junkyard right here. Horrible condition, as you can see. Today, we will be restoring this thing. Before and after. So, this is the before, and now just remember that. Just put that to part of the day. How do I turn this? Alright, now, what should we do first? I'm thinking to take out the engine first. It has barely any of an engine. Yeah, let's just take out the engine first. Looks like it doesn't even have a gearbox or transmission. There's absolutely nothing there except an engine block and a head cover. It has no oil, I mean, you can guess. Well, yeah, I might have overpaid for a little. Alright, first, we're just gonna build an entire new engine for this thing. Right here. Alright. Let me add this stuff to the list. We will be making this thing with a lot of performance parts. And, yeah. And if you couldn't see, if it was a car mod, and yeah, if you want to skip through the engine building part, you can, but I don't really know how to time-lapse videos, so yeah. You want to watch me build this entire engine, you can, but it's completely your choice. I spelled piston wrong. I've never rebuilt a Ferrari in this game, so it's gonna be fun. Oh, I forgot to get the oil filter. Sorry I've not been uploading a lot lately. It's just, I don't even know. I know for a fact they have to sell one of these engine heads. And the tuning shop. They do, of course. I got this game like 2 weeks ago and I've just been exploring it. I've done a few rebuilds if you looked outside of my garage when you were out there. I rebuilt a Pagani and a Nissan GTR. Nissan GTR R35, something like that. A lot of stuff that we are gonna have to buy for this engine. Hey, wait, what am I talking about? I've rebuilt this like a lot. I rebuilt cars a lot. If you want to see more of this stuff, I could make more. It's completely you guys' choice. Whatever the algorithm likes. And the game froze for a second. I have it on like medium graphics because it was way too laggy when I first got it, so I had to lower down the settings a little. And yeah. Why did I only buy 2 of them? Alright. Oh, I completely forgot. We just did that side. I stocked up on a lot of performance spark plugs. I'm really excited how this thing's gonna look. Alright. Engines coming together. I want to see how much horsepower this thing's gonna get. I've been losing a lot of money in this game because I keep keeping the cars I rebuilt. I gotta start selling them. Like if that GTR outside of my garage, I might have to sell it if this Ferrari ends up looking nicer than it. Not gonna lie. Alright. Gotta get 2 of them. I've rebuilt a lot of cars with a V8 engine. I remember this part. It's gonna have like 12 idle B rollers things. I think I might have one yet. Well, the engine's coming together for sure. Alright. I'm just gonna buy everything that we need. Look, it looks like I already have a lot of idler rollers. Yeah, I only bought 5. But I messed up, bought more and I forgot about them. Do I have that? Not an idle roller. Alright. So many screws. Alright, time to do the other side. Now I screw my screws in this pattern. Up, down, something like that. I don't know. And I know I have a lot of ignition coils. I carried a lot of backstock for these. Alright, and now we should be able to just add those 2 things. All right. Just put this on. Alright. I know I have a lot of belt tensioners. I might have like 2 left. 3. I don't count the bad parts. Alright. Maybe, yes I do. And now the oh! That looks like we just have the bottom to go, and the flywheel, clutch plate, pressure plate, and that bearing. If you don't know what I'm saying, it's alright. Do I? Yes, I do. Perfect, it takes 3 and I have 3. I do not have any rod caps at all. Yeah. I need to start carrying a lot more of those. You could also just skip through this part and watch me rebuild the car, not the engine, but if you want to stay, you can. Alright. Now let's see. Still have like 3 more rod caps to go. If you guys want me to do story orders too, if you know what that is, I can. I'm on, I don't know even which story order I'm on. Alright. Looks like we're almost done with this engine here. Alright. Oh, good. Not that. We don't need that. We're gonna get ourselves a performance flywheel, clutch plate, and that stuff. And it should just be right. Bro, why am I in body tuning? It should be right here. They don't have any bearing caps for performance, which I understand. Alright, now I think this is the last piece to the puzzle, and we should be done with this engine. Let's go. Looks like we got everything. My quick test I like to do is go from an angle, hit plus, and see if any gray thing pops up. Let me just do that. Alright, looks like we're good. Wait, what was that? Oh yeah, we look good. Alright. Take that off. Don't know why I put that back there. Alright. Time to install this engine. Why do I have so many? Why? Alright. Gearbox, V8, a lot of stuff here that I do not have. I'm gonna have to add this to my shopping list. That's all. Oh. Looked. From here, I thought it was like a line all the way, like coming. If you get it, you get it. ABS pump. Why am I looking there? Just gonna get this first. Let me see if I missed anything here. Did I buy the power steering? Yes, I did. Let me just install a lot here real quick. I'll have coolant. I got the brake servo. We're gonna buy this stuff right here. Alright. Okay. Time to buy some performance air filters. Just to make sure, yeah, it was that one. Okay. I get a US pump, ABS module. Alright. Putting everything in now. I need to start carrying some backstock just in case. I don't want to be consistently going to the shop each time. Right, well, it looks like now we just have the suspension to go. And the gearbox and stuff like that. Well, let's get this car raised. And we can start on the suspension. What am I doing? Alright. Okay. We're just gonna kind of dismantle a lot of this stuff. I'm gonna get a new rear axle. Why'd I add a rubber bushing and not the upper suspension arm? Alright. I might have a spare. Do I? I don't. Bruh. What's your guys' favorite car? Comment down below. Oh, right. Of course, we're gonna need a new drive axle. Let me get a new one of those. There we go. There's really nothing else to talk about. I'm trying to think. Let me just get this out of the way. Alright. There's really not much to the suspension. It's just hanging there floating. I'm just trying to get the suspension looking good on this car. I'm also going to need some more rubber bushings for sure. Alright. Might as well just get a new fuel tank. Alright, now. Time to waste even more money. Two of those. Two of those. Alright, rubber bushing. I need at least 11 of them. It's an odd number. Haha, get it? That was a horrible joke. Alright, I'm gonna go get a fuel pump. Defuel. Alright. Wait. I have a brake lathing machine or whatever it's called, but It takes too long, but why not? We need money. We need to save some money. It's gonna take a while. This is why I don't like using it. It takes way too long. Did I just do a break disc? We can start on the back suspension. Why? Alright, can I just... Alright. I definitely do that. The suspension's gonna be brand new after I'm done with it. Ugh, bad brake pads. Okay. Wait, did I? Well, I think I might have accidentally paused what I was doing. So, well, I guess... Well, I'm already here now, so... I accidentally paused the recording, and I just noticed... Alright, well, to catch up, while working on the suspension, I stripped it down, and we're rebuilding it. We bought every single part, and yeah. We're gonna need that. I don't know why I didn't buy that. Okay. We bought a fuel tank, right? We need 2 of those. We're gonna need springs. 2 rear springs. Wait. Does that look rusty to you? I don't know. We gotta do that one. Why am I going over there? All right. Let's see what we're doing now. I got these right. Yes, I did. All right. We have the option to put 1 tire on, and yes, we do. All right. The back suspension or rear suspension's almost complete. It's just the gearbox. V8 gearbox. I'm gonna have to get a custom one. Gearbox V8. We just gotta get that maximum horsepower. Like for real. Alright. Starter, do I have a starter? Yes, I do. Probably I missed something, that's why I'm just checking. It's just a tire, okay. Now it's time to do the front suspension. Oh my goodness, it's disgusting. So many little parts. So many little teeny tiny parts that takes way too much time to get off. All right. Oh my goodness. But now we can finally take this off. Alright, that was easy, one side. What? Alright. Wait, we already marked that over there. I can't wait how much horsepower this thing's gonna get. Wait, why am I marking so much of this? This front suspension is almost stripped out. So close. I keep marking it when I already marked all the other stuff over there. I marked it again. Okay, the entire front suspension is completely gone. So, a lot of stuff to be bought. You could skip through this. Okay. I need 2 of those. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, I marked 5 of these. I already bought them. I need 2 of those. 2 of those. 2 of those. Oh, my money's depleting fast. 2 brake calipers, 2 brake pads, front sway bar, and a steering rack. Alright. Time to put this entire suspension back together. This is gonna be so fun, guys. Alright. Why am I... Do I have any front springs is the question. Oh, I bought the rears. Need 2 of these. Front spring, we need 2 of those. Where's the cap? I bought so many rubber bushings just for this. I forgot to mark the intercooler. Medium intercooler. Sounds cool. Again, I could just repair these. The brake disc ventilated. I just didn't want to. It takes way too much time. Okay, that's easy. Alright, join. Bro, where did the Q come from? Okay. Time to do the entire other side. Again, just skip through this if you want. If you want to watch me build this entire thing, you can, but if you don't, of course you don't have to. Okay, okay. So many little parts that go to this. Okay, wheel hub cap. Just gotta do that now. Where am I going? Alright. I wonder which tires we should put on this thing. I really wonder. Alright, looks like the front suspension is done in the back. I didn't buy that? I'm gonna have to add those. I might have a spare. Disgusting, no, okay. I was gonna say battery. Okay, let's get the battery. If I could find it. Battery. Alright. I'm just gonna put the battery in from here. And I forgot this intercooler. Is there a performance variant of that? Of course there is. Huh. No, don't crash on me. Oh my goodness, I thought it was gonna crash. I'm gonna save. Oh, what am I doing? Alright, we gotta skip that. Okay. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see that. So many fuses. I carry a lot of fuses, but I might not have a lot of them. Yeah, I don't have that. I stocked up on these. I keep stocking up on these and then they just disappear so quickly. Okay, 2 of those. Okay, just gotta pop this on. Do I have that? I might actually have it. I'm gonna just get it. I'm so dumb. Okay. We should now be done with everything. Alright. Let's see. What tires do we want in this thing? What type of tires? F15. Size 15s. Okay. Size 15s. What am I doing? Rims. Alright, which rims do we want? I don't want to do a classic. I won't look nice. How about rim 21A? It's cheap too. They need 15 of those. Okay. What sizes did the tire themselves have? 205, 55. 205, 55. We'll put sport tires on them. 15s, 205, 55. Looks good. Alright. This is great. Alright. Now, we're gonna have to buy a lot of body panels for that car. Bro, I'm trying to go fast, but I just can't. Alright, one more tire. I wonder how I want this Ferrari to look. I still want to keep it a little classic, how it was before, but I don't know for sure. Alright, I'm gonna just pop these tires on first. Maybe we could just get this puppy to the ground. Okay. Almost done. Just body panels. Put some oil. You just gotta put fluids in the car. Change a few body panels and it's done. Okay. Now just a lot of stripping this car down. Why is this still here? Was that it? Oh, never mind. Okay. Time to go to the shop. Buy every single thing. Spoiler. Which spoiler do we want? I'll take this one. The freak. Say carbon. Why not? Alright. Carbon right tube. Oh. Take that one. Is that how you spell special? Like this. We'll take vents. Oh, bro, I keep hard carbon. Just take a regular rear bumper. I don't know what I'm doing. Take that. Alright. Got this, this. Alright. Wasted a lot of money on body panels. Alright. So close. So close to be done. I don't think I even bought this. Of course I did. Tinted. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, never mind. Now that's... Oh, I forgot that. Oh, there we go. Now it should be completely done. One thing I really need to do. Did I forget something back here? Oh, never mind. I need to take this thing to the car wash. Oh, wow, it's blue. Some type of blue. Oh, wow. Did I get one? That does not match. That does not look good. Car part 3. Get that out of here. Pop this back on. There we go. Now where I need to put this thing is... Let me just... Alright, this interior does look nice. But it doesn't... What? Why is that? I don't think that's supposed to happen. It's just a feature, guys. Don't worry. Gotta disassemble the steering wheel and the one seats that in here. Alright, which seats do we want to go with? 100%. These look nice to me. I think I'm gonna just go with these. 2 of those. Steering wheel. Huh. Let's go with that one. I'm gonna definitely paint this the factory color red. But first, we are going to have to fill the fluids and use the welder on this thing. 3,200. It was just this darkish blue. Oh no, not again. Let's just put some fluid in this car. So, oh my goodness, I forgot the fuel pump. There we go. Let's put some fluid in this car. This video is going to be well over an hour. Accessible from the engine bay. The engine bay is right here. Huh. Let's just put some nice fluids in this car. I like how it costs you some money to put the fluids in. It's like it's not free. The brake fluid's going through the air filter. Huh. Alright. Let's put some oil in this car too while we're at it. Oil. Let's put that much in there. Alright, now let's see if we can. Yes, we can. Did I put some power steering fluid in this car? I definitely didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Now, in theory, this car should just start. But we're just gonna paint it real quick. This was the factory color. Yeah, actually, I like it. Why not? Glossy. From here, this looks kind of like black, but it's like this very, very, very. It's like maroon. Alright. If I take this thing to the test path, it should start. First, my goodness. Can I be honest with you? I don't know how to do headlight alignments. Oh. Do you have to like match these? I don't know. That's good enough. Please. Yes, it does start. The freak is that? Sounds like it's farting. I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. I mean, if it starts, it starts. Everything should be clean 100 on this car. Yes. Okay. We're done. Brake caps. I don't care about brake cap cylinders. Alright, time to take this thing to the dyno. Alright, well, so the stock power is 466 horsepower. Let's see how much we're gonna get. That does not sound good. Alright, now alright, okay. It sounds a little better. It sounds like it has too much oil in it. This is better. I'll take the 100%. Right now, I'm gonna put this at garage entrance C. Now, let's see. Which thing are we gonna sell? I don't. How much horsepower is this thing made? 919. This thing, I'm never sit on this, for sure. It made just a little horsepower. How much is this worth? Oh, wow, okay. This ain't even that worth that much. Oh. It's very tempting. Very, very tempting. I might just sell the Lamborghini, the Ferrari, and make a lot of profit. 264. A lot of money in profit that we're gonna make. we spent a lot of money on this car. We'll make $244,000 for profit. So let's see, 167,000 plus 264,000. I'll say about 420,000 is how much we're gonna end up. Bye bye, Ferrari 458. See ya. Alright. Well, that was nice, and big payday. So, hope you guys like that. Oh shoot, I forgot to take a photo of it. I mean, wait, I'm already recording it. Never mind. So, thank you for watching. If you made this all this way, thank you for watching. See you guys later.